No, this is a setup of the electrical circuit game. So there's a battery case with two battery, altogether is 3 volt here. So we'll start off with the negative. So this is a negative, right, comes here. So what we have here is two legs, one leg from the buzzer and the other leg from the LED. Now these are all negative. Here, right behind here, it says positive. So we do not connect to the positive, we connect to the negative. So negative goes to negative of the battery, right? And then another negative is this LED light. The shorter leg is the negative. So LED light consists of two legs. One is a longer leg and one is a shorter leg. The longer leg have to connect to this positive of a battery. The negative goes to the shorter leg. Okay. So again, here we have three things connected. One is a wire from the negative side. Then the negative leg, if this is positive, if this side is positive, then this side will be negative. Negative, then this is a shorter leg. So three connected, then we screw in with a screw. Then after that, the other leg of the buzzer we connect to a screw. The other leg of the LED, which is a positive, we connect to the screw. Then we take a wire, connect the positive and the positive together. So which means now the buzzer and LED light are connected in parallel. Then we have another wire here connected to the positive, to any part of this long wire here. Now this set, it comes with an aluminum wire, so you can bend it to any shape, right? The more bend, then it will be more difficult to play this game, right? So one end connected to the positive, the other end is free. Now at the positive side here, we connect to another wire with a, then you make a loop here. So the game goes like that. Let me adjust this a little bit. So the game goes like that. We have a wire. We have to start from here. At the starting point, you may touch. When it's connected, there will be buzzer and light. So we'll connect it here. Then we have to move this wire through. Oops, my hand is not steady. We have to connect this wire. We have to move this. Oops, 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 through the loop here. The moment you touch, there will be light and sound. Okay.